Hi there, welcome to this course, which is designed to help you get the most out of your EzyCourse platform. In this fundamentals course, we're going to have a look at the web builder. We're going to have a look at how to build a course, how to create lessons that engage your users, how to use quizzes and assignments. We're going to have a look at all the various different products that you can sell on the EzyCourse platform, the marketing features, how you manage your users, so much to get through. Now, in this course, we're going to give you an overview of how everything works and how everything fits together. And that'll enable you to get started with your EzyCourse platform and start generating some revenue making ideas. Now, there are other courses available where we're going to dive into more detail on different topics, but we know that everything in here is enough to help you get started. So enjoy the course.